हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज कुलदीप एंड वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल नॉलेज विकीपीडिया। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं DUJET और CUET से रिलेटेड। बिकॉज DUJET काफ़ी बच्चों ने सुना है, जो कॉमर्स वाले स्टूडेंट्स हैं और अदर स्टूडेंट्स एज वेल, उनको पता है कि 12th के बाद में अगर उनको BBA वगैरह करना है तो दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में DUJET जैसा एक कोई पेपर होता है। बट अगर बात करें CUET की, सो विच इज़ ए न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स those who are in 12th class, and this year they also have to give CUET for certain examinations। तो हम बात करेंगे DUJET और CUET की कंपैरिजन में। तो पहले I will be taking the DUJET and parallelly I will be discussing the CUET। So let's start the video for the day। आपसे सजेशन रहेगा कि आप वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक कर सकते हैं एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। So we will start with the DUJET। So what is this DUJET? Is Delhi University Joint Admission Test। So this is the test which was conducted for the programs like BMS, BFIA and BBE। These were the three programs, or these are the three programs for which DUJET is conducted, and this is not a new one. This is already conducted right from many years. But now a new concept has been arrived by UGC. This is called Central University Entrance Test, which was like CUCET earlier, named as CUCET by UGC itself. But 2-3 days back, it has been renamed as CUET, Central University Entrance Test. This is a test which has been launched for all the central universities, which may be 41 to 50. Exactly, I am not aware the number, but this is 41 to 50 यूनिवर्सिटीज़, सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटीज़, जिसके लिए CUET कंडक्ट किया जा रहा है। ठीक है। नाउ व्हाट इज दिस CUET? इज CUET, फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज दिस इज फॉर ऑल सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटीज लाइक DU, BHU, जामिया, Aligarh Muslim universities and others, which are all central universities. Those all central universities will be taking the test CUET, and this is a common entrance test. By giving this test, the students can apply, can go in all these universities. First point. Second, this CUET is basically right from many years, but few universities are not taking the score of CUET, but now this has been become compulsory for all the universities to take the score of CUET, in which Delhi University is also participating this year. So Vice Chancellor of Delhi already declared few months back, like in the December, that we will be conducting admissions in Delhi University by CUET pattern, on the basis of CUET. So in this CUET, if Delhi admissions is taking this score, then it will be all the admissions. What I want to clear, all the admissions which Delhi University was taking on merit or cutoff on CBSE 12th class, all those admissions will be now on the basis of CUET, Central University Entrance Test. ठीक है। So this is first point, this is second, Delhi University. Third is, what is the difference? DUJET is basically for the professional courses, जो अभी मैंने यहाँ नाम लिखे थे, BMS, BFIA and BBE, and CUET is basically all the courses which were on cutoff till last year. This DUJET is taking score of 60%, 65% of entrance test plus 35% of CBSE. This is the information till yet. CUSAT, according to the new article and interviews by the chairperson of UGC, no weightage will be given for admissions in central universities. What it means is universities which are on central level, they will not considering the 12th percentage, only take the percentage of or the cutoff of the CUET score. So this is DUJET, which is basically for many years and meant for BMS, FIA, BBE. CUET is for all the courses which are on merit basis, and several others which are offered by the central universities like BCom honors, economic honors, English honors, psychology honors, and others, history honors, pol science, any other. So this is basically the difference: DUJET, Delhi University Joint Admission Test, CUET, Central University Entrance Test. Now there is no clarification that whether it can be merged or not, but as of now we are taking that DUJET is separate and CUCET is separate. So this is newly launched, and according to this time there is a lot of confusion for the students that what they have to do, like because they have already invested much of their time in 12th class. Definitely that has to be done by them because their priority was board. But after the announcement of this CUET and plus no weightage of boards, now the students are in chaos or confusion ki what has to do, whether they have to study the boards or they should concentrate on entrance examination. But definitely boards are important because they have studied 1 year. Okay, now at this point of time they should not lose their grip to by thinking this that the board's percentage is not being considered for the Delhi admissions or other central university admissions, so we will not study boards. The things should not be taken like this, but they should study boards as well as they must concentrate on their entrance examinations as well. क्योंकि बोर्ड्स का अगर परसेंटेज नहीं लिया जा रहा है, बट इट डज नॉट मीन बोर्ड subjects is not going to come in CUET. According to new announcement by the chairperson of UGC, there will be three domains. In CUET. What it will be? Like number one is language test. तो इंडिया में जितनी भी लैंग्वेजेस हैं लाइक हिंदी, इंग्लिश, पंजाबी, तमिल, एनी, they have to choose one. Second is domain specific. Now what is this domain specific is like student is having, if a commerce student is having eco, business study, accounts, English, math, then they have to choose out of these domains. Means this will be a specific subject related test which the student has to give by their choice which subject they want to choose. So maybe English and math student like by choice they can take because they have studied in their 12th. But what about the two subjects like BST and economics? They can choose accounts, they can choose mathematics, they can choose English. So these are the domain specific. Third is aptitude. This aptitude is considering of 4 subjects like English, GK, maths, or we can call it QA, and logical reasoning. These 4 subjects will be there in aptitude test. Now this is the pattern which is already coming in DUJET and other universities entrance preparations. So this is the basic syllabus, but the person who wants to give CUET, under CUET he or she wants to pursue English honors, psychology honors, maths honors, stats honors, and any other, they have to give domain specific paper as well. So this is the basic difference: language, domain, aptitude. These are the pattern of like A part, B part, 3 C parts of CUET, but in DUJET only these 4 subjects are supposed to come. So this is basically the difference of CUET and DUJET. Now I was explaining that the board I was explaining that students must of in this thinking that they will not study board. So on this point I have explained this thing, domain specific. So if the student will think that we will not study boards because its marks are not considered in CUET, but they have to think that domain specific paper will be there. So not for the percentage, but for the subject, or but for the like course which will come in CUET pattern, they have to study board. This is the point I want to conclude. So they have to still they have to keep on track for the boards examinations, plus they have to study for CUET. So this is the time like where they can think that every new thing is happening to us, like we are supposed to be the like experimental batch. Maybe the students can think this, but definitely when the things are happening such in such a way, the students have to take precautions as well as like precautionary measures and devote the time, manage the time anyhow, because this is the time when they have to prepare. And CUET is going to conduct in the month of July, first or second week, as per the announcement by the chairperson of UGC. So students have ample of time, but definitely if they think that they have ample of time and they will not study for entrance examination, that the things can go very late. So they have to manage the time right from today. Most of the students are preparing from December when CUET was or CUSAT was announced, but many people are many students are become active at this point of time when CUET is declared. Yes, it will be taking domain specific aptitude language test. So the students are becoming active because somewhere they have seen that no weightage of 12 will be taken. So this is the point I was explaining. Again I want to conclude 2-3 points. Number 1, DUJAT happenings from the previous years. CUET is new one, जिसमें आपका 1 will be language, 1 will be domain, 1 will be aptitude. These 3 parts will be there. DUJAT is basically GK, English, math and logical reasoning. This all 4 will be there. Third is this is all for traditional courses, we can say, which were happening on merit. This is for professional courses. Writing is very bad, but like I am speaking as well, so you can understand the things. Okay. Next is, so these are the 2 patterns. Third is manageable of the time, managing of the time. Managing of the time, like abhi we are standing on 25th of March. Your boards examination is going to start from 13th of May. So at least from 25th of March, students can study till 3rd of May. So almost 40 days are there to study for the entrance preparation, and then they can take break for 10 days for their board examination. And when they will come on 8th of June, because most of the examinations are closing on 8th of June for the commerce or math students, they can resume their study for entrance preparation. So this is how they have to manage the study, but they have to study. Otherwise the students, those who are studying from last 1 year, 2 year and for 6 months, they have already completed their syllabus. So like you can check the level of competitiveness, because definitely if they have studied for 1 year or 2 years, then their proportion or the probability of getting a good rank is higher than the students those who have not even thinking of that they have to give examination, and they have not selected its course even. So if the students have not selected the course even, then definitely they might have not applied for any university. So until and unless the course is not finalized, he or she or the student cannot apply for the university, and all the universities applications are out except Delhi University and one or two others. Okay. So this is the video related with the DUJET, CUSET and time management. I hope, I don't know, I have told everything, but if you have got anything and what I want to trigger in your mind, if you have got that, then please subscribe the video. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot.